Hi, today we're going to look at undefined slope. An undefined slope is associated with vertical lines, and a vertical line is a line that goes up and down, not left to right. It's a vertical line is up and down. So it has a couple features. Remember that the slope of any line is a rise, which is up, and a run, which is left to right. Now, the one characteristic of a vertical line that has an undefined slope is we have a zero in the denominator, and that's what makes it undefined. Anytime you have zero in the bottom of a fraction, that we can't evaluate that, so we consider it undefined. So what do the ordered pairs look like? Well, the x's will be the same value, but the y's will be different values. So here's an example. -2, +1, and -2, 4. Our x coordinates are the same, but our y coordinates are different. And I've plotted these. So let's draw the line that connects these, and notice that is a vertical line. So you can see that the x coordinates are the same. Now remember, where am I getting this? I'm getting this from the slope formula. Remember, slope is our difference in our y's over the difference in our x's. So if I plug it into the slope formula, I'm going to get 4 minus 1 over -2 minus a -2. Double negatives make a positive. So notice I'm getting a 0 in the denominator and a 3 in the top. The top, that constant, it doesn't matter the value, but the bottom is what matters, the fact that you're getting a 0. So there you go. That's how you find a vertical line. So vertical lines have undefined slope. Hope this video is helpful.